Here they come. They're all lined up, ready to come out. Come on. There's the black sex lynx. They're thinking about it. Oh. What do you guys think? Huh? What do you think, huh? What do you see, Citation? You see the chickens. Yeah. Neato, huh? Look at you, all Mr. Serious. Yeah, those are babies. What do you think, Oreo? Oreo.